What's going on, YouTube? This is Dom5280. So welcome back to the channel. So for today, my car is actually getting lowered, like way lowered, like okay, maybe not slammed, just lowered. So for my coil selection, I chose Rev 9 coilovers, and only because it's cheap but not super cheap, like eBay crap coilovers. You don't want those unless you hate your car. If you hate your car, then get those. Then you know that's all good. Keep going. We move on. Yeah, we keep going. So I've already unboxed them. I've actually already installed 2 of them. So I'm gonna show you guys how to uninstall it on one side. So if you guys want to, you know, ever doing coilovers on your Subaru from like 08 to 14, I think, you guys can go ahead and use this video as a reference if you like. If not, whatever, we move on. Alright, so here is the box it got sent in. They seem pretty sturdy, like pretty well made. So they're not packaged too well though. So like you can tell from right here, looks like they got damage from rubbing, which is not a very good look. Rev 9, so y'all need to package y'all shit better, because come on, brand new. You can't be selling people shit like this. But I guess damage has happened, so we move on. This doesn't destroy the integrity of the actual coilover, so we move on. Alright y'all, so these are the tools you're gonna need for this install. It's not a very hard install. It's pretty simple. And make sure you have a jack stand too. I didn't put that in here, but you know, make sure you have a jack stand too. So you'll need a couple extensions, 1/2 inch, 3/8, and you'll need a 15, 16, 19, 17. You'll need a 13, 12, 10. No, you won't need a 10. And that should be it. I got power tools, so you know air tools, so I'll be using air tools. So yeah, jacked up the car already. I got them on 4 jack stands, so I'll take off all. I'm going to remove the brake line. Just gonna unbolt them. They're both 12s, by the way. Pretty easy. And I'm gonna set them aside. And these are 19s. So for those, I use I don't know what the hell to call this, but double-sided wrench. But so first I'm gonna attempt to break it. It's really good if you get a ratcheting one too. Trust me, it's worth the money. Make sure you don't lose this washer. Make sure you put them back in the same spot you took them off. And please make sure you get alignment after this, because your car is gonna run all types of funny. So then I'm gonna go ahead, hammer these out. There is a short one. So this bolt is what sets your alignment. That's why it has that weird groove edge. It's not straight. It bulges out. I think they're called an eccentric bolt. Not sure. Don't quote me on that. All the ones out. Alright, here's the new one. Pop it up there. Put a few screws in so it can hold it. Alright. The new one's easier to put in than anything. So, this is the part of the portion where you're going to use the jack. Alright y'all, to get to the rear struts, you gotta take off this box right here. So I moved everything out the way. So this little box right here, and the bolts are right here. It's 2 bolts. I think there are 14. This one's a 13. It's a 17. So I also have a 17 on this side, so it's either 17 or 19, which I'll do one side to hold and the other side to move. So that's not working. Let's try to break it. Alright, here's a new one. Pretty easy to also, actually the installation part's easy. So after dropping it in, use the jack stand. Say. Alright guys, that's literally it. It's not too hard. So on the last video I've done on the one on the TSX, that was pretty hard. That took me all day, but on a Subaru it's pretty easy, it's pretty simple. It's pretty cut and dry. Pretty black and white. So like I just showed. So all you need to do, and afterwards drop your car down to the proper height. And if you need to see how I adjust it, how to adjust it, just go watch my TSX video and I'll show you how to adjust the height to the level that you want. And I'll show you how to dampen the right suspension. Either you want it stifter or you want it softer, it's up to you. So that was it. Like, comment, subscribe, and see you on the next video. Remember guys, with fast cars, got fast decisions.
Dom 5280.